Evolution of money. So this is a step by step, or this is a process. How human society, trade, and technology have developed over time. Okay, before we introduce to you crypto, this is one of the things you should know. So let us briefly talk about evolution of money. Okay, so we shall begin with barter system. We should go step by step. So we shall begin with barter system. This is where people could exchange goods for goods and services for services. The problem we see here is that there was no common measure of value. You could find somebody exchanging 5 bananas just to get 1 chicken. Okay, so that was barter system. And another thing I can say about barter system, you could find it very hard to find somebody in need of what you have. Okay, it could be hard, like it was hard for you to find the person to exchange with your items. So let us go to number 2, which is commodity money. Here we see some items were used as money, like gold, like salt, like silver. Okay, cows, they were used as money. What we can see here is they were very heavy to carry. Then another thing, insecurity. Okay, insecurity. Remember, by that time there were no means of traveling or means of transport. So remember, people would walk on foot. Okay, so it means insecurity was a very big problem. Then another step, we have to look at the advantage of this commodity money. So this is it. These commodities were highly accepted, and they had value themselves. Then number 3, I can give you metal coins. Coins were made. Okay, then number 4, we can look at paper money. This paper money were backed up by gold, silver, and this paper money was first used in China and then widely spread the whole world later. Another phase is digital money. Digital money, this is where we had the introduction of checks, credit cards, and bank transfers. So here we see money became more digital. What does digital mean? Digital means like dealing with something that you cannot touch with your hands, but you're in control. You can do transactions. Okay, so in this phase, you don't need to first meet somebody in order to pay that person. No, you do things wherever you are. It doesn't matter how far the person you want to pay is. Okay, so you do your transactions. And we can also see in this phase, people's money became more secure. Then another phase, maybe we talk about mobile and electronic banking, where we have PayPal, like you can be paid worldwide. Okay, then this is where we are going to cryptocurrencies. This is where we shall introduce to you Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, and other stable coins, and other meme coins, and other gaming, and other. So there are so many cryptocurrencies. Yes, but before I take you very far, cryptocurrencies, these are digital currencies that are on a security standard of cryptography. Okay, so this is it. And the first cryptocurrency was Bitcoin, which was introduced in 2009. So this is when a crypto market started coming up. Okay, so if you want to learn crypto, just get my WhatsApp number from my bio. We learn together. Thank you for watching. Subscribe.